Patel, Harley Patel. Let me tell you about a champ. On a KTM number 721, he revs it up, no tramp. Started young at 5, untamable fire. Jumps to the moon, he's the future that inspires. Confidence in his eyes, heart of a lion. Riding through the dirt, his spirit's always flying.
Ride with the heart of a lion, never backing down. Family's pride on his shoulders, he's the future crown. Motocross king, watch him blaze his own track. Remember the name Harley, he's never looking back.
Through the mud and the dust, he never quits. Odds against him, but he's a lion that fits. Fast as the wind, you can't catch his pace. Beast mode activated, watch him win the race. Every leap, every turn, echoes his name. The champ of tomorrow, in the motocross game.
Ride with the heart of a lion, never backing down. Family's pride on his shoulders, he's a future crown. Motocross king, watch him blaze his own track. Remember the name Harley, he's never looking back.
So watch this space, see the legend unfold. Harley Patel, the story yet to be told. With every roar of the engine, he's writing his tale. A champion born, his spirit will never fail.